Question number 4. The Mule Bone, a 1930 play written by Zora Neale, Hurston and Langston Hughes, is perhaps the best known for the few examples of blank in literature. Most writers prefer working alone, and given that working together cost Hurston and Hughes their friendship, it is not hard to see why. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Is it A. Characterization, B. Interpretation, C. Collaboration, or D. Commercialization? So here we can see that Hurston and Hughes cost them their friendship, and most writers prefer working alone, it says. So if you said C, well done. That is, choice C is the best answer because it logically and precisely completes the text discussion of the Mule Bone, a play that Zora Neale, Hurston and Langston Hughes wrote together. In this context, a collaboration means working together with someone to write a literary work. The text indicates that most writers prefer to work alone and that working together destroyed the friendship between Hurston and Hughes. This establishes that the Mule Bone is a relatively rare example of collaboration in literature, because writers prefer working alone. So in this rare situation, this Mule Bone, it was a collaboration between both of them. It is one of the few examples where the collaboration happened, because it is very rare for writers to work together. A is incorrect because in this context, characterization would mean a literary work's portrayal of characters' psychological experiences and motivations. But the text doesn't discuss characterization in the Mule Bone specifically or in collaborative works more generally. Choice B is incorrect because in this context, interpretation would mean the explanation of a literary work's meaning or significance. But the text doesn't discuss how readers or critics have interpreted the Mule Bone. Instead, the text discusses how the play was written collaboratively and how the writing process affected the two authors. Choice D is incorrect because in this context, commercialization would mean writing a literary work in such a way as to ensure its commercial appeal. But the text never discusses a commercial appeal as a factor in the writing of the Mule Bone specifically, or the writing of collaborative works more generally. So collaboration in this case is the best answer.